Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered how that bottle of golden healthy goodness ended up on your kitchen shelf? Today we take you behind the scene of the estate of the art of olive oil factory and reveal the secret behind how that liquid gold are made. At all start in the olive groves, where ripe olive are carefully harvested. These grapes are the heart of olive oil industry. Hand-picking ensures that only the finest plump olive are selected from this process. The freshly harvested olive are transferred to the nearest factory, where the magical happen waiting for them. Here they are unpacked into the conveyor belt to prepare them for the olive extraction. The process begins with the sorting stage, an essential step to ensure only these finest olive make to their way into this premium olive oil. After a meticulous inspection, they are thrown out, cleaned, ensure that no unwanted wastage, contamination in this final product. Now the heart of process. Once the olive are washed and sorted, they are entered in the extraction room, where modern machinery takes the center stage. The olive are gently crushed and breaking them down into this fine paste, which is then sent through a series of sophisticated separators. After the pressuring, the oil, water and remaining plump are separated. The oil then undergoes to filter to remove any remaining impurity, leaving us with this pure golden olive oil. Our liquid gold is almost ready for your table. Here the oil is carefully measured and bottled and prepared for distribution. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoying this journey into this world olive making process, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks again.